Sultan Cove. So since that is a cove underground, we will enter that one. So
okay.
Yes, if you are lonely, the boat will turn back, going back there. Yes.
Lonely table. Oh, that one.
Okay, are you ready? Okay, that is welcome to the entrance of Sultan Cove. So everybody, watch your head, please. This morning, welcome to the inside of Sultan Cove. Now we are now inside. Everybody clap your hand, please. Also, this is also a marker of Sultan Cove. Because Sultan Cove, after exploration inside, we will come back again there. So if you cannot find out that one, it means you lose this area. If you lose doors, yes, because Sultan Cove, you know, accessible during low tide.
What?
Accessible during low tide. So at least okay, so on your left side, that one.
Oh, this one.
That's a limestone. But that limestone composed of two enchanted men. First, that is called Church of That Lycaon. And then the second one, which is Tawongdong Wall. That limestone composed of two enchanted men.
Little monkey.
They are like babies, you know, but here they are like old man.
Have you heard
I looked at your...
You stay there. Just wait there. You stay.
I stay here, yeah. I will go there as well.
If you want to go,
Pushing.
I can to swim. Mom, I can to swim. Ano? Okay. Mom? Yes? You're the mom? Okay.
let's go see. Seven. We will
Look at that. Ay. Yes. Ma'am, dandan na kayo, ma'am. Pero ba to? Ano? Tumayo ka dyan. Hala. The cliff diving. Ay, hindi ko nasakta.
I'll take all the seafood, but you don't.
most jumping.
Okay, videohan ako. Kadali.
You can also hear the stalactites, that one. This is called stalactite, that one. So if the stalactite and stalagmite hit each other, that is called stalagmite.
Stalagmite.
Okay, so you can go there. I will take a photo with you.
Okay. Ayan, look at that.
Yeah.
That one is big.
Para siyang mushroom. no? Pero bakit?
Yeah, thank you. The cliff diving, ay, hindi ko nasaka.
Okay, everybody clap your hand, please. Yay! And everybody say thank you, Soton.
Thank you, Soton.
Wow, fantastic. Here we go.